Hi dear children, this is your GK ma'am. Welcome to the GK class. I hope you all are fine and safe, right? Shall we start our session with prayer? All of you just close your eyes and pray. Asato ma sadgamaya Damasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Mridam Kamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. All of you slowly open your eyes. So our today's topic is natural calamities. So natural calamities or natural disaster means extreme and sudden events caused by environmental factors that injure people and damage properties. Thousands of people across the world are affected by natural disaster of different varieties. So in our last class we have seen about tornado, avalanche, tsunami and volcanic eruption. Tornado means rapidly spinning tubes of air that touch both the ground and clouds with the wind speed of more than 480 km per hour. So the avalanche means a large mass of ice and snow break away from the sides of the mountain. The tsunami means tsunami or large and powerful ocean wave which is caused by the earthquake and volcanic eruption under the sea water. So volcanic eruption causes damage due to explosion of volcano or falling rocks. The lava which results as part of eruption. So in this class we get to know about some of the most common natural calamities and their effects. So first one, flood. Flood or a natural process, it happens when overflowing water submerged land, which means overflowing of water onto a normally dry land. So what are the causes of flood? Flood happen because of heavy rains, tsunami, broken dams, melting snow and ice. These are the some of the causes of floods. So types of floods. What are the types of floods? Flash floods, coastal floods, urban floods, river floods and ponding floods. In this, flash and urban river floods are most dangerous type of floods. Flash floods occur due to heavy rainfall, generally cause dangerous losses of life. So the river flood generally causes greater loss of properties. So these are the main two types of floods. So how do human causes flood? Because of urbanization and deforestation. These are the main two causes of floods. So what are the effects of floods? Which includes loss of human life and death of animals, damaged property, destruction of crops and spread many waterborne diseases. These are the some of the effects of floods. So how to prevent flood? Introduce better flood warming system, construct building above flood level, water storage areas, improve water storage areas and plants many trees, restore river and their natural courses. These are the some of the preventions of floods. So next one, wildfire. Wildfires are uncontrolled fire that typically occur in forest areas. They spread very fast and are very difficult to control. So what are the causes of wildfires? Mainly natural caused and human caused. So natural fires are generally started by lightning and ignited by heat from the sun. So nearly 80% of wildfires occur because of human activities like from the campfires, burning debris, intentional acts of azan. Azan means to make a fire. So what is good and bad for wildfires? So the bad thing is it destroys everything in the forest and mostly affects the animals, plants and herbs. So what is the good for wildfires? Wildfires are natural part of many environment. They are natural way of cleaning out dead litter on a forest floor. This allows important nutrition to return to the soil, enabling new healthy beginning for plants and animals. So fires also play an important role in the reproduction of plants and animals. So this class we have seen about natural calamities, that is floods and wildfires. So in our next session we will see some other natural calamities and their effects. So all of you please stay at home, stay safe. So don't use mobile, laptops and tabs, any other electronic gadgets after the session. Thank you.